You've been lied to about the minor arcana. If you think they're just less important than the major arcana, you're missing the entire point of real tarot. Today I'm ripping away the myth that the minor cards are background noise, because they are the engine room of your daily fate. Here's what most people won't tell you. The minor arcana are not just fillers, they are the living energies running through every moment of your story. If the majors are the blueprint, the minors are the bricks, the real actions, choices, and emotions you deal with every day. When you master these cards, you don't just get insight, you get the power to change your reality. Let's break it open. The minor arcana are split into 4 suits: wands, cups, swords, and pentacles. Wands are fire. They ignite your ambitions, your will, your need to build, destroy, and rebuild. Cups are water. They are your emotions, dreams, your heartbreaks, and deep connections. Swords are air. They slice through illusion, bringing conflict, decision, clarity, and sometimes painful truth. Pentacles are earth. They root you in reality, money, health, body, work, the results you actually see. Each suit is numbered ace to 10, showing a journey from pure potential to completion. The court cards, page, knight, queen, king, are not just people. They are stages of evolution. The minors are not about prophecy. They are about pattern. What energy are you stuck in today? Every reading is a mirror. When you draw a minor, you're being shown the script you're running right now. Here's how to use the minor arcana. Track your daily pulls. See which suits dominate your week. And don't treat reversals like a curse. A reversed minor is not bad. It's a flag, a chance to redirect energy. If you want to master manifestation, money, relationships, and real change, the minor arcana are your roadmap. Don't settle for shallow readings or fake positivity. If you want to see the script you're living and write a new one, follow this channel right now.